My name is Teresita Bonilla. I've been working for 3 years. I always like to work with patients. I was working at a clinic for almost 20 years. So when the COVID came and everything, they let out a few people, and I was one of them. So I just study a little bit and get prepared to be a caregiver. I really enjoy to work with my patients. I like to give them support. I like to make them feel good, and yeah, it's been great. I like what I say before. I really like to take care of my patients and give them the best treatment, and the best care. And I really like my managers and the training they give me and the support. I really love them. Why? Because I was taking care of my mother-in-law and I see how much they need care. The people, older people, they need care. Good care, actually, with love. And that's why I became a caregiver. What I say before to this caregiver agency is the best because they give us support. They give us training. They give us everything so we can be happy. I really recommend you to come and work with Home Helpers of Central Valley. And also they give me bonus for every year that I've been working here. So just come and work.